Welcome to True Health Thursdays. Okay, here we are live in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm with, Chloe, what's your name again?
Chloe.
I know, we rehearsed that.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what'd you come down here for? What were you doing?
I came down here for sports injuries and headache problems.
Okay, now, did you have trouble crossing the border? I heard it's like a giant wall.
No trouble. It was just little traffic.
Really?
Yeah.
You just were able to drive right across?
Yeah.
I know. And how old are you? How old are you, hon?
I'm 15.
Okay, a 15-year-old can make it across the border. This is a tough girl. Okay. Now, what's your experience like down here?
I really like it when I come down. It's been really good being here and getting adjusted and everything, and the food is really good.
Okay, now getting adjusted. Was this your first time ever getting adjusted?
I've gotten small chiropractic adjustments here and there, but never like this.
Never like this. Okay. What's cool is, this gal's really smart and confident. Okay, honest to goodness, taking charge of your health is something that nobody does. They've abdicated authority. They what do I need, doctor? You're 15 and you're taking charge of your health. That's impressive. So did I introduce you to a few doctors?
Yes, you did.
Okay, was that bitchin' or totally cool?
That was really cool.
Okay, so there's 4, and they all happen to all be women doctors, okay? We're in there discussing the results of the therapy on the live blood cell analysis. Now how many kids your age have seen a live blood cell analysis?
Probably not many, or
none. Almost nothing, yeah. And this is what we're doing. We're looking at how the body's responding to certain therapies, okay? I think that blood analysis is something every kid in the world's got to know. Because if I knew it when I was a kid, I would take better care of myself. Although with your scars and everything else, you go out, you break it, we'll fix it. Okay? Okay, now there's people out there all over the place. Now, because for sports injuries, you're going to get hurt. Mm-hmm. And your mom just told me that you had a headache. Okay, and I showed you a couple of ways to check, check for sinuses and things like that. What do people usually do for a headache?
They would usually take some type of painkiller.
Painkillers.
Advil or something.
Now, you had people offer you Advil and other stuff.
Yep.
Why didn't you take it?
Because I feel like it doesn't really work, and I don't really like swallowing pills. So
here's a gal who thinks that medications or headaches don't come from medication deficiency syndrome, that there's actually a reason for it. Oh God, you're so freaking cool. Okay. Just what would you tell people? Because there's so many people out there that, and I'm talking not teenagers, I'm talking any kind of age. There's a pill for every ill. Mm-hmm. Okay, what would you tell them to take charge of their health? How can you break them out of this? Because it's really a programming by the television. It's literally, for peak performance, try this drug. Okay, what could you tell them?
I would say do research about what you're putting into your body and where it's coming from, and seek other help besides that, like this doctor.
Okay. I would love her to be a chiropractor, but she is a bold spirit, super smart gal. Hon, whatever you do, God, I hope you end up helping people because you're being amazing. Congratulations. Okay, get your butt down here. This is real people, real challenges, and real solutions. Come on. Get down here.